Integration errors on Auth0 can be frustrating, but with a few straightforward steps, you can resolve them quickly. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and fix common integration issues. Step 1. Identify the error. Check the error message you are receiving. Auth0 provides specific error codes and messages that can help you pinpoint the issue. Take note of any details that can guide your troubleshooting process. Step 2. Review application settings. Log into your Auth0 dashboard and navigate to your application settings. Ensure that the callback URLs, allowed web origins, and other configurations are correctly set according to your application S requirements. Step 3. Check API permissions. If your integration involves APIs, verify that the necessary permissions are granted. Ensure that the API you are trying to access is properly configured in Auth0 and that your application has the right scopes to interact with it. Step 4. Update SDKs and libraries. Ensure that you are using the latest version of any SDKs or libraries related to Auth0. Outdated versions may lead to compatibility issues. Check the documentation for any breaking changes or updates that might affect your integration. Step 5. Test with debugging tools. Utilize Auth0's debugging tools to test your integration. The Auth0 logs can provide insights into what might be going wrong. Use these logs to trace the flow of authentication and identify where the error occurs. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve integration errors on Auth0 efficiently. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Auth0 support for further assistance.